Hello, Chat GPT. This is Ryan from Vietnam. Can you help me to compose the song about lean manufacturing? Listen up, yeah, I got a story to tell about manufacturing methods that change the way you sell. Bitcoin Lean is all about efficiency, streamlining processes, reduce waste density. No more overproduction, no more waiting in line. With Lean you see the result in your time. No more overproduction, no more waiting in line. With Lean you see the result in no time. Lean manufacturing is the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. Within your business will never lack. Lean manufacturing is the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. Within your business will never lack. From the production floor to the office space, Lean help you save time and read the pay. Continuous improvement, the name of the game. Making change with osmosis to eliminate the pain. From reducing cycle time to cutting out the cost. Lean help you make the most of what you got. From reducing cycle time to cutting down on costs. Lean help you make the most of what you got. Lean manufacturing, it's the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. With Lean your business will never lack. Lean manufacturing is the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. With Lean your business will never lack. It's not about making product, it's about making a difference. Improving life and the environment with excellence and precision. Lean manufacturing is more than a trend. It's a philosophy that helps you reach the end. Lean manufacturing is the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. Within your business will never lack. Lean manufacturing is the way to go. Smoother operation and better flow. Eliminate the fake, keep the motion intact. With Lean your business will never lack.